Here's a basic survival kit that I designed specifically with wilderness emergency survival in mind. Comes in a nice MOLLE compatible bag. The most common cause of fatality in the wilderness is exposure to the elements. And that's why with the Mylar poncho, reflecting 90% of your body heat back to you and keeping you dry at the same time, this is a game changer for your wilderness survival. And also in hotter climates with the sun beating down on you, reverse this so that the sun's rays are reflected away from you. And in case things start to get too cold, you have fire-making capabilities. But let's face it, if it's an emergency, you want to get found. That's why with the signal mirror, the whistle, the ability to make fire, as well as the light, your chances of being found go up exponentially. Weighing in at 2 ounces, the Life Straw turns contaminated water sources into safe drinkable water. Or in the case that you need to carry your water, you have a 36-ounce bladder. And one of the most versatile tools in the world, a knife. Razor sharp, a single piece of steel, it comes with its own case. And last but certainly not least, 50 feet of survival cord. That stuff comes with a fire tinder strand, which is waterproof, that lights easily with the ferro rod, as well as braided fishing line. To go with your fish hooks, of course. A kit like this should be in everybody's car, especially for the people that you love, and never go into the wilderness without some form of safety measure. Thanks for watching.